Yak Production.
These are reflections from Red Tent Real Love 2023. The following are the writings and expressions from the women of all ages and backgrounds that came to that event. Begin to prepare yourself for guided meditation. At this time, make sure you're comfortable and you have the things that you need. You will need a hand mirror at this time, or to be comfortably sat in front of a mirror where you can do a soft gaze. Take a moment and pause. Sitting comfortably, begin to ease your eyes just a moment so that they're only gently open, and bring the mirror up in front of your face. Gaze softly into that mirror. Try at this time not to think anything negative, but just soften the gaze, soften the way that you look at yourself. Continue with this practice. Every time a judgment comes up, re-soften, re-look with better eyes. Continue to do this, breathing in and breathing out. Begin to bring your awareness back gently, taking a moment to come back into yourself and to sit with the feelings that you have. This was the first meditation. Come back for our next session in the Real Love series and take time to journal or just sit with the feelings that you have now. Make sure to pause.
Guess I heard it all the same, but go ahead, amuse me. I need it now. I need it now. All them pretty words, always lame. You're trying to entice me. Not going down. Not going down. And you trying to make a case. Don't wait. 'Cause you about to be erased, aced. I got too much love for me. 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 Sure it worked before, way to score. You've been quite the player.